I'm just gonna make this video short and sweet. Since so many of you guys are now currently into NIO stock, I have another stock to definitely get your mind going, which is BYD company. Ticker name is BYDDY. Now, unfortunately, there are no options at this current moment, but you can at least buy shares. And honestly, though, the shares move very similar to options. It's up 63% in the past month. You clearly see this is another Chinese car manufacturer, and they're doing really well. The market cap is only $23 billion, which is pretty much half the market cap of NIO, which is about $54 billion market cap. And so far, BYD is doing really good. And this is backed by Warren Buffett himself, the legendary investor. And last month, October, they sold 23,000 brand new electric vehicles. And some of them are considered to be hybrids, and some of them fuel cells, and some of them EVs. But nevertheless, these are insane numbers for this new sustainable energy car company. BYD, it's pretty big. I mean, they're in China, they sell a ton of cars, and their cars that they sell are a lot cheaper than NIO's, ranging from $30,000 to $40,000. It's nothing too expensive. It's kind of like the more affordable version of the electric industry. If you guys can't afford a Tesla or NIO vehicle, but you really want an EV, BYD is the car factory that you should go for. And so far, their stock is way too cheap. I mean, they're selling this many cars. Their market cap is only $23 billion. NIO only sold 5,000 vehicles in October, a fourth of the amount of BYD's, but their market cap is twice as big as BYD. Now, I get it. NIO stock does have a lot of major things. For example, autopilot, battery as a service. They have innovative stuff. They have their own OS system, European expansion. I get it. But still, BYD deserves to at least have a market cap of $30, $45 billion because they sell so many vehicles. And they're also thinking about expanding to other locations. You have Newport, which is soon to unveil details to bring 4 electric passenger cars and SUVs from BYD, ding, 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 to Australian consumers. This is pretty big, and the Australian EV market has shown a lot of interest. You also have a lot of countries in European countries like Norway, which 60% of the new car market are pure electric vehicles. This is pretty intensive. And so far, this Chinese car manufacturer, it's doing pretty good. You also have UBS analysts saying in the note Wednesday, this is like several weeks ago, but still it's pretty relevant. Over the next 5 years, we will anticipate Chinese players across the EV supply chain and aggressively enter the overseas market. This is pretty big. And with BYD expanding to Australia and possibly Europe, they're competing heavily with NIO. And BYD, they make a lot of pretty incredible cars. You can clearly see, even though today it went up 12%, it actually fully stabilized at 12%. Everyone is buying and no one is selling. This is why the stock isn't going down, but in fact, the stock actually slowly went up a little bit. So definitely check out BYD. This is one of those car companies that you cannot miss out. I mean, it's surging a lot, but the market cap doesn't do it justice. It's only $23 billion. It's still super cheap. Thanks for watching, guys, and comment below. Definitely check out BYD company. This is Warren Buffett backed, by the way.